Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start backup now. Sign into the Google account you want to use, connect to a stable Wi-Fi, and make sure the battery won't die. Once done, open Settings and go straight to System or Google, then Backup. Tap Backup now to begin the first sync. This saves app data, device settings, and Google Drive items. Make sure Backup to Google Drive is toggled on so the phone will automatically schedule future backups without further prompts. Next, choose exactly what you want preserved by checking each category: app data, call history, contacts, SMS, and device settings. Once selected, Google Drive will hold those items. For photos and videos, open Google Photos and enable Backup and Sync. Select High Quality to save space or Original to preserve quality. Make sure your Google Drive has enough storage. If you're near limit, consider cleaning or purchasing extra space. After configuring, finish by confirming the backup completed. Check the backup screen for a recent timestamp and review items backed up. Once confirmed, you can test the restore flow on another device or after a reset. Sign in with the same Google account and choose the backup during setup. If the backup fails, make sure you're signed into the correct account, clear the backup app cache, and re-attempt. Additionally, check Google Drive storage and Wi-Fi stability. If problems persist, reboot and try again to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.